Hello, I'm Eric, this is Gordon. Welcome to the American Eagle Food Machinery booth. American Eagle is a family-owned business based in Chicago that's been operating for over 4 decades. And today we're going to show you some of our old classic machines as well as some of our newer products.
I'm so proud of what we've built over the years. Our company model is quality, value, reliability, and that really goes into everything that we do here and all of our equipment. My favorite here is the One Hub series. We started off with this 1.5 horsepower meat grinder. There's a smaller 1 horsepower version there. Now the One Hub series offers unmatched versatility because you can power all of these attachments here with a single motor, and that goes on both the 1.5 and the 1 horse model. We started off with this meat tenderizer, then developed this vegetable cutter, then went on to the jerky slicer, and then the meat cutter there. And our latest addition is this large capacity meat cutter. This was developed because customers wanted a larger input chute and a feeder tray. So we took that feedback and produced this and can cut larger chunks of meat.
And speaking of customer feedback, another thing our customers have been telling us is that they really want a quality countertop mixing machine. So we're proud to introduce this new model. It's a 10-quart, 7/8 horsepower DC motor countertop mixer. So nearly a full horsepower of mixing capability for your counter. It's got 15 different speeds. It's really an incredible machine.
Yeah, let's go take a look at our dough sheeter.
All right. So Gordon, here's another product that I'm really excited to introduce. This one is the American Eagle, a fully automatic dough sheeter. Can you tell us more about this?
Yes, I would be glad to. This is the latest of our premium series, all stainless steel dough sheeters. And this particular model is the top of the line model with fully automatic programmable controls. You can see this touchscreen here. It features a fully automatic flour release tray, fully automatic conveyor controls, and a fully automatic transfer roller for dough. And as with all of our products, we use the highest grade stainless steel and very thick gauge, and try to make the build quality as good as possible.
Nice. So everything about this is automatic. So even I, not being a pastry chef at all, if somebody who knew what they were doing as a chef actually programmed this, then I could operate it just fine.
Yeah, absolutely you could. And that's the wonderful thing about fully automatic machines is requires very minimal training, consistent results.
Nice. This here is another new product. This is a fully automatic dough divider rounder. We're very excited about this. At just the push of a button, it does all the work for you. On this particular model, we have a couple cover panels off, so you can see the really high quality relays, as well as the hydraulics, but those are normally on. It's an incredibly safe and easy to use machine.
And here we have our 80-quart spiral mixer. We got a lot of customer feedback about wanting digital panels in our equipment. So for this year, we introduced this across all of our spiral mixers. It's an available option, this digital panel here. It allows you to program up to 5 recipes, and it's a lot easier to clean and wipe down than the standard control panel.
Very cool. So as you can tell, we base a lot of our product designs on customer feedback, so please keep it coming. We are always innovating for you. And what we've shown you here today is just a really small part of our entire catalog, which is available at AmericanEagleMachine.com, our website. And thank you so much for joining us today. Once again, I'm Eric Gordon, American Eagle Food Machinery.